What if I told you that in 2026, not using AI could cost you more money than not having a college degree? Sounds dramatic? Maybe. But right now, millions of people are quietly using free AI tools to earn online, while others scroll and fall behind. And here's the scary part. You don't need talent. You don't need experience. You just need the right tools. So stay with me, because tool number 5 is the one most people ignore, and it might be the most powerful. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your digital employee. It writes scripts, blog posts, ads, emails, even business ideas. People are using it to sell services they couldn't do a year ago. And yes, some are charging hundreds per project. Funny question, if an AI can write better than most humans, who do you think companies will hire? Exactly. Tool number 2, Canva AI. Canva AI turns non-designers into paid creators. Logos, thumbnails, Instagram posts. Businesses don't care how you made it, only that it looks good. And Canva AI does it in minutes. No Photoshop, no stress, no excuses. But visuals are only half the story. Tool number 3, 11 Labs. This is where things get dangerous, in a good way. 11 Labs creates human-sounding voiceovers. No mic, no accent issues, no recording anxiety. Faceless YouTube channels, audiobooks, explainer videos. People are building income streams without ever showing their face. But what if you could turn text into full videos? Tool number 4, Pictory. Pictory does exactly that. Paste text, it becomes a video. Scenes, visuals, captions, done. This is why faceless channels are exploding in 2026. The barrier to entry is basically gone. And now, the final tool, the one most people underestimate. Tool number 5, ChatSonic. ChatSonic is like ChatGPT on caffeine. Real-time ideas, trend analysis, faster execution. Perfect for staying ahead, not catching up. Because in 2026, speed beats perfection. And hesitation? That's expensive. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. AI won't replace humans, but humans using AI will replace humans who don't. And if you really want to understand how small actions today turn into massive results tomorrow, if you want to save hours of work and unlock even more power, check out the next video on your screen. ChatGPT prompts that save you 10 hours. It could completely change how you create, work, and earn in 2026. I'll see you there.